The goal with this activity is to really work on trunk rotation as well as pelvic rotation. I like this move for someone who has a loss of hip flexion, abduction, or external rotation measures in the hips, narrow infrasternal angles, and anyone who needs trunk rotation. If it sounds like someone you're working with, this move's for you. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to need a rope cable to perform this exercise. You're going to walk back so your arms are straight without crunching or anything like that. You're then going to tuck your hips, squat down a little bit, make sure weight's on your heels. From here, you're going to breathe in and pull the ropes to your hip. As you do that, you want to keep the tuck and shift one hip back. So in this case, my left butt is further behind than my right. If you get it right, you're going to feel a little of your inner thigh working and maybe a little stretch in your back pocket. You're going to do the same thing once you go the other side, and you'll alternate. It'll look like this. So there's my tuck, heels. I'm going to breathe in, shift and rotate without crunching. Exhale, come up. And there's no bending at the sternum. I'm just rotating my trunk as I shift. From the side, arms are outstretched, no crunch. There's my tuck, got my heel contact. Inhale, pull and shift. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.